Hello friends, I am Sauradeep. So before continuing this video, let me ask you something honestly. How many of you have spent months watching tutorials, building projects and grinding lead code and still got rejected in interviews? Or worse, you are working in your organization but you still fear that if your job gets lost, you are not prepared yet to crack an interview. Because the market has changed drastically and nobody is talking about it. I am going to talk about it today. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to never feel that fear again. First, let's talk about what actually happening in the developer job market in 2026. This is not to scare you, this is to prepare you. Number one, mass layoffs are real. Google, Amazon, Microsoft, all FANG companies are laying employees. Recently, Oracle has also laid around 30,000 employees. And it's not stopping. Why? Because of two words, AI automation. Companies are doing more with less person. A team of 10 developers is now doing the work of 50. How? They are using AI tools. They are using better architecture. They are using developers who understand the full picture. But one thing also, they are also keeping the people who knows the full picture from front-end to AI. It's not just React, it's not just Python, it's not just only AI, it's the full picture. Number two, the bar has risen. I talk to developers every single day. Fresh graduates, 3 years experience developer to even 5 years experience developer. And I ask them one question. Can you take a feature from design all the way production deployment with monitoring and CI/CD and integrating with AI? 90% of them say no. Either they are good at front end or back end. Few of them are very good in front end, but they don't know how back end works, how DevOps works, what is the use of AI. Some of them are very good at back end, but they don't know the front end. So this is the gap. And this is exactly why they are getting rejected. But it's not the developer's fault. I have been there myself. I spent years watching tutorials, building to-do apps, following along with courses. I felt productive. I felt like I was learning. But when I came to projects, live projects, I feel that I may know something, but it's not how a production application works. There is a very big picture. And there is not even tutorial that is connecting all the dots. Someone is teaching React, someone is teaching DevOps, but there is no connection between them. And that's the gap between what YouTube teaches and what the industry actually wants. The gap almost cost everyone's career. I don't want it to cost yours. So I built DipsCode, not another tutorial channel, not another to-do app course. A channel specifically designed to bridge that gap, to take whatever you are today to the developer that companies are desperately looking for in 2026. Let me show you exactly what that means or what we are going to learn. So here what we are going to learn in this whole series. We will run the core concept of frontend, in which we will cover advanced React like performance optimization, security, how to build an enterprise level React application, all those things. Same with advanced Angular with new signal stores, new signals, and then zoneless Angular, everything. Then we'll go for micro frontends, in which we'll build a project using the micro frontend architecture. Then we are going to cover the system design in frontend, in which we are going to see everything from minute details. We will start from the browser rendering pipeline to design a dashboard or a WhatsApp like system. Then we will talk about the security in the frontend, how to implement security features in any frontend applications. And then we will go for performance optimization, how to improve any front-end performance. Then in the backend section, we will cover Python and we will cover the fast API from very basics, from zero. We will start fast API to production level code. Then we will see some ORMs that are available with fast API like SQL Alchemy or SQL model. Then we will see security, how to implement security feature in fast API. Then we'll see some performance optimization like including caching, rate limiting, all those things. Sorry, rate limiting will be in the security. And then we'll see a microservice, how to create a microservice in Fast API. Then we'll also see the DevOps part. In DevOps part, you don't need to learn everything for DevOps. As a developer, you need to learn only those things which are mostly used for DevOps portion. So here you will learn Linux, scripting. Scripting means the shell scripting. Nginx, using Nginx, how you can deploy your front-end application, how to act Nginx as a web server, how to act it as a reverse proxy. Everything we'll do it in Nginx. Then we'll learn Docker. So Docker from 0 to advanced level, everything you will understand each and everything in Docker. Then we'll see Kubernetes. Then we are going for CI/CD pipeline. In CI/CD pipeline, we'll use Jenkins and GitHub Actions. And then we'll go for monitoring. So like Prometheus, Grafana, there are many monitoring tools. We will be going for that. Then the main part, AI part. In the AI part, we are first going to start with Core GenAI. Why Core? Because in many tutorial, many people are starting with LangChain, but that's a very wrong approach. When I started my project in GenAI and I started directly with LangChain, I have faced many problems. Until and unless you know the core of GenAI, you build that with your core application, you will not be able to understand anything in GenAI and you will not be able to solve a particular problem. So in the core GenAI section, we will learn how to use memory, how to use performance optimization in GenAI, how to reduce cost for your prompting. Everything we'll learn in core GenAI. Then we'll go for LLMs. What are the different LLMs available? How to use these in API? All those things we'll learn in LLM. Then we'll go for prompting. How to structure our prompt? What are the different prompting like zero-shot prompt, few-shot prompt? We'll go for prompting. Then we'll go for vector DB. Vector DB, why you use vector DB and what are the different vector DBs available? We'll go for that. Then we'll use RAG. That is, in RAG basically we'll build some application where we'll put our own documents and from there we'll ask questions. So the LLM will try to answer those questions based on the documents that we provide. Then we'll go for agentic AI. Then we'll go for frameworks. In the frameworks, we are going for LangChain, and for the agentic part, we'll go for LangGraph. Apart from that, I'll also try to show you AutoGen and CrewAI. And after that, we are going for system design. Like what are the system design available in AI, we'll go for that. After learning all these things, what are required, then we will be going for the projects. In the projects, what we'll use? In one project, we'll use a backend using microservice architecture. We'll use different DevOps technique. We'll deploy our application via Docker. We will use Linux as our server. We are going to use scripting, that is shell scripting, to deploy our code automatically. We are going for CI/CD pipeline. We'll monitor our application via Prometheus and Grafana. And then in the backend application, we are going to integrate this AI. All the things that we learn in this AI, we are going to integrate those. After completing that backend whole thing, then we will be going for frontend. In frontend, first we'll build a frontend with either React or Angular and keeping all those things, system design, security and performance optimization in mind. Then in second application, we will be going for the micro frontends. How to implement the micro frontends and how to communicate with the backend. We'll go for that. After that, you will have the whole picture like front end, back end, DevOps and AI. All things will be integrated. But here's the thing. Learning alone is hard and staying consistent is hard and boring. And that's why DipsCode is not just an YouTube channel, it's a community. We have a free Discord server where every week you will get short notes, daily challenges, interview preparation materials, and also job referrals by other community members. Real opportunities will be shared within our community, and monthly live sessions where we can communicate along with other members and can share our problems and try to solve each other's. The link to join is in the description. It's completely free, and the first member get founding member status, which means closer access and more interaction with me personally. So here's what I need you to do right now. First, please subscribe. Every single video on this channel is going to move your career forward. Don't miss a single one. Second, hit the bell icon so you are notified the moment a new video drops. Third, join the Discord. Link is in the description below. Comment in if you want me to add you personally. Fourth, comment below. Tell me what's the one skill you wanted to learn immediately, and your answer will decide what video I make next. I am Sauradip and welcome to DipsCode. Let's scale this tutorial hell together and hope we'll learn many things while moving forward. Happy learning, friends. Thank you.